So this is the walk around the Celebrity Edge lunch on the last sea day, and just to show you somewhat illogically, the ice cream stall is at the beginning rather than at the end. And here we walk past the bar, which is doing a roaring trade, and the collection of breads. A very, very good collection of breads to choose from. My favourite were these, the pumpernickel rolls. And now we walk around and see what's going on. This is a salads. Those are wasabi beans, which is a bit unexpected. Chickpeas, all sorts of things. And what we've got next is some peach crumble and vanilla sauce and the bread pudding. Right, the seafood, we've got mussels and tomato sauce and mussels and creamy white sauce. My wife's had these today and said they were better than last time. I'm walking round. Right, this is where they're cooking the seafood. And look at the size of those prawns. They were quite good in nice garlic sauce. This is calamari, fried calamari. I had these, and even when they were freshly out of the pan, they were a bit crispy. But the sautéed shrimps are all gone. They went like lightning. And this is the spaghetti cooking station, where you choose your own kind of pasta and you put a sauce and a sauce on top of it. Very, very popular. Some people seem to live off spaghetti. Go around the corner, more salads. And it's coming up to 2:30, and this is well past the main rush of lunch, but there are still plenty of people here. And now we come on to the Asian station, and we've got a chicken biryani here, rice, papadums and fish curry, and mane patia and dal, mango chutney. This looks good. Fairly nice looking tandoori chicken and other curries. Very nice. And we move on. And somewhat illogically next door is the fresh fruit. I had these and these were really, really good. Very good plums and peaches, which we haven't seen before, and some huge mangoes. Down on the other side. And here's the cheese. They have really, really good cheese at lunchtime, and today for cheese here they've got Munster, cheddar, Monterey Jack, Edam and Brie. And there's the people helping themselves with fruit. And we move on. So they're making sandwiches. Why anyone would want a sandwich, I've no idea, but there's various salads, tuna, breads, sweet baguettes, mini baguettes, jumbo croissants. God, they look good. I wish they'd serve those at breakfast. And grilled chicken, a bit pallid looking. And we look around here and we come to the bit called the rotisserie. Let's see what they've got on the rotisserie. They've got roast potatoes, mashed potatoes, glazed carrots, broccoli, turkey gravy, apple sauce, cranberry sauce. This is roast beef, almost at the end, crossing more of the roast turkey, roast leg of pork, more salads, and this was the interesting bit today, where they had some beef brochettes, which I would have recommended, and some steaks and pork skewers and sliced lamb. I had the grilled steak, and I had mince steak when I was here, and even when it was fresh out of the pan, it was still a bit tepid. Grilled chicken and a display of cold meats. More cold meats. More cold meats. More cold meats. And a very good collection of cold meats. Here we have more chips and vegetarian skewers, Jamaican jerk chicken, barbecue chicken wings. These were various sausages. The frankfurters were pretty good. And these are courgettes and even more sausages going round. More salads, beef fajitas, chicken fajitas, sausage for the fajitas. And here's the soup, clam chowder and chilled sweet potato soup. What we've got here? Just like mashed potatoes, breaded fish, beef lasagna, grilled pork cutlets, rice and vegetables, beef kebabs, they're a bit more like kofta, and beef stew and potatoes. More glazed carrots, more broccoli, very good. And the high spot today appears to have been the pastries and desserts. And walk around these, and wow, just look at these. People having quite large helpers of these. Very popular. More cakes. More cakes, more cakes, more cakes, more cakes. Banana walnut cake. Cookies if you needed those. And even more cakes. Mango coconut turquoise, raspberry mousse cake, and chocolate orange mousse. These are like dark chocolate cheesecake lollipops, pistachio cheesecake lollipops, melon, pineapple, and look at the chocolate fountain. So this is Hoppers 2, and it is still quite busy on the last sea day. Drink stations. People still coming in and going out, and lots of people also taking photographs.